In English, we have the word every day. Okay, actually, whenever we write every day as one single word. But there are certain places where you should not. In most places, you should not use every day as a single word, because every space day and every day written together has different meaning. Okay, let's know the difference now. First, every space day, you are writing every and then a space and then day. What this means is, it means each day. Each day. Okay, every space day means each day. For example, he comes to school late every day. He comes to school late every day. Okay, you are writing every, then a space and day. So it means each day. I eat mango every day. So every space day. To make it simple, I'll give you one more example. Okay, every evening we play football. Every evening we play football. So you are writing every space evening. You do not write every evening as one single word. You are writing every space evening. Okay, every space evening. Every evening we play football. What does it mean? Each evening we play football. Just like that, every day we play football. It means each day. Okay, when you mean, okay, when you use the word every space day, it means each day. Okay, each day we play football. Now let's see every day as one single word. Every day. Okay, the word every day, when every and day are written together, it means something that is done very commonly or very regularly. For example, what shall I? This is my everyday shoe. Okay, if you tell that something is your everyday shoe, it means it is a shoe that you wear regularly, or most commonly you prefer to wear that shoe. So every day without space means something that is done very commonly or regularly. This is my everyday t-shirt. This is my everyday t-shirt. It means this is the t-shirt I wear very commonly or very regularly. Okay, so here every day, when it is written together, it acts as an adjective. And what is an adjective? Adjective is something that adds quality to a noun. Okay, for example, this t-shirt is a noun. Okay, blue t-shirt. Okay, the word blue gives quality to the noun t-shirt. Okay, the word blue gives quality to the noun t-shirt. Okay, it adds information about the t-shirt. So blue is an adjective. Now I am saying this is my everyday t-shirt. What t-shirt? My everyday t-shirt. So everyday, when it is written together as a single word, acts as only adjective. And this is the difference between the word every space day and every day. Thank you.